In today's video, I'll show you how to easily DocuSign an Excel sheet so you can sign and send documents securely without printing a single page. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. To begin, head over to the DocuSign website and log into your account. If you don't already have one, quickly sign up. It only takes a minute and gives you full access to manage, sign and send documents safely. Once you're logged in, open the Agreements section, which is your main dashboard for managing files. Now look for the Start Now button and click it. You'll see the option to upload your document. Since we're focusing on Excel, make sure your spreadsheet is ready on your computer. Click Upload, then select your file from your desktop or folder. Double check you're picking the correct file if you have multiple versions saved. That way you avoid any mistakes later. Once your Excel sheet is uploaded, DocuSign will prompt you to assign roles and add signature fields. This is where you can drag and drop signature boxes into the right spots, and if multiple people need to sign, you can also set the order in which they'll receive the document. After reviewing everything, just hit next and you're done. Your Excel sheet is now ready to be signed and shared electronically. No printing, no scanning, just a fast and secure way to handle your documents. That's it for this guide on DocuSigning Excel sheets in 2025. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with someone who might need it.